the raspberry lemon drop. It's sweet, it's sour, it's super tasty. Keep watching. Hi there, so today I'm going to make a drink called the raspberry lemon drop. Extremely popular, one of my venues that I used to have, the Cloud9 bar in Geelong. And the first thing that I'm going to use is a really good raspberry vodka. And I'm using the Arctica, made here in Australia, in Melbourne. For all of my viewers from all over the world, there are other raspberry vodkas out there that you can substitute for. And we're going to do 45 mils or ounce and a half. I really love the smell and the taste of this stuff, I tell you. Next up, we're going to do 20 mils of a freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now, that's the really important part, is make sure that you use fresh lemon juice. Don't go and buy the little bottles of lemon juice from the supermarket, because they do have a lot of sugar in them. And the reason that I'm adding the lemon juice to this cocktail is to counteract the sweetness, all right? Next up, I'm gonna do about 10 mils of sugar syrup, just to add a touch of that sweetness. And what that does is it actually brings out more of the raspberry flavor from the vodka. Last but not least, 45 mils of cranberry juice, or in Australia, I'm not sure overseas, we have a raspberry cranberry juice from Ocean Spray, the guys that make cranberry anyway. If you can use that, even better, but it works perfectly with just straight cranberry juice as well. 45 mils or ounce and a half. I'm gonna give it a big shake. Always make sure that you chill down your glassware as well. As I've said numerous times, you don't want to have a really nice cold cocktail and pour it into a warm glass. Going to double strain that. The reason I double strain is to remove any particles of ice. How beautiful does that look? Okay. For my garnish, really simple, just a lemon twist. Just gonna squeeze that over the glass, drop it in there. That's a raspberry lemon drop. Gonna give it a taste. Yum. That raspberry just, I don't know about you, but we have raspberry lollies here in Australia that when I eat them, the really good ones, you get this really nice sort of sourness in your mouth. That's what I'm getting out of this cocktail. For my viewers in Melbourne and Victoria, for those of you that have been on a school trip to Sovereign Hill, which is like a gold mining town in Ballarat, they have a lolly called the raspberry drop there that I used to love, and I recreated this cocktail to taste like that. Obviously I had to add a little bit of the sour element to it, but it's fun, it's easy to drink, get you pretty boozed up as well. So be careful, because you can't tell there's 45 mils of vodka in there, but absolutely worth a try. Guys, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.